We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can change Wi-Fi on DJI Mini 3 Pro. So first you will need to take your controller, then swipe downwards from the top right half of your screen like that. Then once again, open this control bar, enable Wi-Fi, then hold your finger at the Wi-Fi icon to open the Wi-Fi settings here. Select what network you would like to reconnect your RC to, so this one. Then input the password of your respective network. Then tap connect, and that'll be it. That's how you change your Wi-Fi network. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.